Julian. Julian, nakita ka diri sa computer.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I am great.
Wow, where's the baby? Baby, 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 baby. How are you? Hi! Oy, why are you wearing jacket? Is it cold?
No jacket.
Why are you wearing jacket? Very cold? Hi.
It is a shirt.
Yeah, this is a shirt, but this one is long. Okay. Why are you wearing that?
But it's not a jacket.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, is it cold, Ken Ken? Very cold in Vietnam? Very cold?
Yes.
Wow, oh, that's maybe the reason why you wear jacket and a shirt. Okay, so now Ken, teacher will share you the listening test. Okay, listen with the baby. The baby boy. Oh, you hug your baby. You hug your baby. You hug your baby. Hi, baby. Hi, teacher. Say hi, teacher. You say hi, teacher, baby. Hi, teacher. Baby. Hi, teacher, baby. Good evening, baby boy. Hi. So cute. Teacher. Hi, hi. Hi, teacher. You want to study? You want to study? Want to study, baby, with Kuya Ken Ken? You want to study with Kuya Ken Ken? Ken Ken, look at the baby. He's sitting properly. You sit down properly also. Okay. So we have here, Ken, about the listening test here. Okay. Are we done with this? Finished. Okay. For a while, Ken. Okay, so we have here, Ken. You are done with listening. Let's move to baby. You want to study, baby? La 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 la, baby dance. La 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 la, yay, baby. Dance, baby boy. Super cute with teacher. Okay, now, Ken, we are going to study reading and writing. Okay. Oh, yes. It's here. It's a fruit, baby. Okay, now, Ken, you looked and read and choose the correct words. Okay, Ken? Can you see this one? These are the question, Ken? Oh, listen, because your baby is listening. Look at your younger brother. He wants to listen. And then on the right, you will have to pick the answers. Okay, number one. Okay, let us go first with the example. People go to this place to drink, eat, and talk to their friends. What's that? It's cafe. It's in the cafe. Number one. You answer number one, please.
You want somebody in your hair in this?
What's the answer?
Shower.
Teacher. Oh, it's a shower. Yay. Number two.
You said eat in a floor or on the beach for this.
Okay, you sit and eat in a field or in a beach for this. What is that, Ken?
Beach.
It's a
Picnic.
Picnic, teacher. Very good. I love you, Ken. Very smart boy. Number three, Ken.
You read. And I answer.
Okay, you can buy food and clothes here. What's the answer?
Market.
It's the market. Okay, number 4. You go up or down between floors in this.
A lift.
It's a lift, teacher, of course. When you ride a lift or an elevator, you will go up, you will go down. Very good, Ken Ken. Number 5, Ken Ken boy. Apples, bananas, lemons, and oranges are example of this.
Fruit.
It's a fruit, teacher. Number 6, you can read the books here or take them home to read. You can read a books here or take them home to read. What is that? It's a library, teacher, and it's a library. Yes, it's a library. Oh, what happened? What happened? You give it to Ken Ken. What did you do to your brother? What's that? It's a pen. You give other pen to your baby brother. You give other pen. Okay, you give other pen to your baby brother. Oh, he is crying now. You give other pen. Okay, very good, Ken Ken. Next here, Ken, look at this one. Ken, you will say here, yes or no. Look at baby, 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 baby. Look at your teacher, look at teacher, look at teacher. You will say yes or no. Baby, come here. Baby, look at the teacher and... Oh, the baby is crying, Ken Ken. The baby is crying. Okay, now cut here. So I will say, I will read and you will say yes or no. A pirate is sitting on a box. A pirate is sitting on a box.
Yeah.
Yes. Look at the pictures. You can answer this, Ken, by looking at the picture. Yes. There are 6 hippos in the picture. No, there are only 5 hippos in the picture. Okay, now, can you answer this? The girls are playing a game of badminton. The girls are playing a game of badminton. It's no. There is a green and yellow parrot on the boy's shoulder. There is a green and yellow parrot on the boy's shoulder.
No.
No, teacher. A big brown monkey is climbing a mountain.
No.
Oh, where is the big brown monkey climb, Ken Ken?
In a tree.
Very good, my boy. That's great, my Ken Ken. I love Ken Ken, my teacher. A woman with a red skirt has got a bowl of pineapples. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher. Look, yes, she is carrying a pineapples. Do you like pineapples, Ken?
No.
No, teacher. There is a big snake in a tree above the crocodile.
Yeah.
Yes. No, there is a big snake. Okay, there is a big snake. There is no crocodile. It's a big snake, but this is not a crocodile. It's hippo. Okay. So a man and a woman are crossing the river in boat.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe because this is not a crocodile. Because if these animals, like the four hippos are here, If these are crocodiles, what will happen to them? What will happen to them? Of course, what will happen? Of course, they will be eaten by the big mouth of the crocodile. Wow, like that. Of course, they will not be, okay, they will not be scared of that. Okay, next. Very good, Ken. Now, Ken, you will have to read the text and choose the best answer. Again, you read the text and choose the best answer. Okay, like this one in the example. Hello, Jane. The answer is hello, Nick. Okay, you will have to read that one. Okay, what's the answer for number one? I will read and please tell me the answer. Where did you go at the weekend? Where did you go at the weekend? Okay, what's the answer?
B.
Okay, B. What's in letter B? Can you read in letter B?
I went to the game in our new house.
Oh, very good, Ken. Good boy. Very good boy. Okay, next. Where does she live now? Where does she live now?
In a village.
In a village, teacher. Very good. Number three, Ken.
Does she like her new home? Yes, she does.
Very good. Yes, she does, teacher. Because, look at this one. Sorry, teacher, need to have a very important thing. So, yes, she does. We use yes, she does. Look at this one. Because the question starts like, does she like her new home? Of course, you will use yes, or you will answer yes, she does. Okay, you will not say yes, we did. No, because the question is, does she like her new home? And you will answer yes, she does. Okay, next one here. Next, number 4. How's her brother Ben? How's her brother Ben?
He's fine.
Again, how's your brother Ben?
Fine.
Okay, he's fine. What did you do with Kim on Saturday? What did you do with Kim on Saturday?
This one is the same.
Okay, you sailed the boat with her. Oh, we swam in the sea. Very good, Ken. How did you know, Kuya Ken? That's very good of you. Very good. Very good, my dear Ken. Okay, next one, Ken. Great. I can go with you to see Kim and Ben one day. What's the answer?
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Wow, perfect again. Okay, we will have to record your scores also, Ken. Tomorrow, we will record also the scores. Okay, now you've got, okay, 5 plus 5. Okay, you've got 15 scores tonight. Okay, now here we have Ken for a while. Okay, in here, Ken, let us test how good you are. Let us test how smart you are. Okay? Sally and her family live on a farm. They had a lot of animals, sheep. Okay, again.
You read, I answer.
Okay, Sally and her family live on a farm. They had a lot of animals, sheep, cows, goats, chickens, and horses. Every morning before school, Sally went to see her gray horse, Cloud. Okay, what's the name of the horse? Cloud. Yeah, she gave Turn some blank to eat. What's the answer? She gave Turn some blank to eat his breakfast and talk to him. What's the answer? The answer is, it's letter carrot. She gave Torn some carrots to eat for breakfast and talk to him. Then she said goodbye. But last Saturday, she didn't blank Clouds. She didn't? She didn't? She didn't see close Cloud's door carefully when she went to see him. Sally went to school in Dad's blank. Sally went to school in Dad's blank.
In that car.
Very good, in Dad's car. In class, that morning, the teacher drew a horse on the blank.
On the bird. Now you draw one.
On the board. Very good. Now you draw one, he said. Sally started to draw Cloud. Then she looked out of the blank.
On the road.
Okay. On the window. She looked in the window. And then there was a cloud. Look, children, said the teacher. The horse in the playground. That's my horse, Sally said. The children laughed after the class Sally. Okay, so this is the story about the horse of Sally. Okay, what's the name of Sally's horse? What's the name, Ken? What's the name of Sally's horse? Ken, what's the name of Sally's horse?
This is Cloud.
It's Cloud, teacher Anne. Okay, that's my horse, said Sally. The children laughed. After the class, Sally home to Cloud. Oh, so Sally and Cloud, they are best friends. They have to go with each other every now and then. Okay, what do you think is the title of the story? What do you think is the title of the story? Clouds goes to school.
Cloud.
Clouds has a reason to study, has a lesson, or the teacher draws cloud. What's the answer?
The teacher draw Cloud.
Oh, it's letter A. Cloud goes to school. It's going to school. Next, look at the pictures and read a story. You will have to write words to complete the sentences about the picture. Okay. Okay, Ken, for a while, Ken, I need to drink water for a while. Okay, Ken. So it's here. So one Sunday, okay, we'll read a story, Ken. One Sunday, Jim went to the mountains with his parents. In the afternoon, it snowed. At home that evening, Jim wasn't very well. You got a temperature, Jim, his mom said. Have some soup and then go to the bed. But he didn't want any soup. He was hungry. Okay, now let's see. What is your answer for number one? Can you answer number one?
Jim had a travel on Sunday evening. Jim didn't have breakfast because he was hungry.
Okay, what's number one answer? Number one answer is? Number one answer is what? It's hot t-shirt. Jim didn't have yeah, it's hot. Very good. Jim didn't have the blank because he was not hungry. Jim didn't have the blank because he wasn't angry. What's the answer? Didn't have breakfast, teacher. Oh, Jim didn't have a big rock because he wasn't hungry. Oh, it's breakfast. This is wrong. Wrong, Ken Ken. Your answer, breakfast, is correct. Okay, continue reading. So Bill and Nick took the ball with them because they wanted to play it in the water. But it was difficult because they could not see. And then they tried to find sea animals at the bottom of the sea. Nick painted something near a big shell. Bill picked it up and then they swam back to the beach. It's your t-shirt, Nick, Bill shouted. They looked at the big rock, but the clouds were not there. Then they saw the red towels in the water too. So what's the answer for number 3? What's the answer for number 3?
The boy tried to play with the butter in the water.
Okay, number 4.
I wanted to fry some fish in the water.
Okay.
The t-shirt, bigger the t-shirt.
Okay, next to a big shell.
In the sea.
Okay, what's the answer number 6?
To rock on the sea.
Okay, red towels. Okay, number 1. The boys tried to play with their ball in the water. But then they wanted to find some sea animals in the water. Next to the big shell, Bill picked up the t-shirt and then Bill picked up the t-shirt. Their towels, which is color red, were in the sea too. Okay, so what's the answer?
A red towel.
Oh, very good. Next one here. So can you see that one? They found all their things in the sea and got dressed again. They waited for a bus. If it didn't come, in the end, they phoned the mom and she came in the car and drove them home. Okay, so they were very cold, wet, but their mom gave them a hot drink and they didn't talk and laugh about that day. Oh, her mom is very serious. Okay, he doesn't want to talk and laugh about that whole day. She doesn't like that. That's the mom of Jane. It's not, it's very strict. Okay. Okay, Be. Okay, Ken. So you will have to read the text and choose the right answer. Okay. Do you have paper there? Please give me paper.
Don't have any paper.
Why? Why you don't have paper? Teacher has a lot. Look at teacher.
I don't have any paper.
What are you holding for? You can ask paper to your mom. You can ask a paper.
I don't have any paper.
Okay. So number 1. So when we first had computers, they were blank, very big, and they only added numbers. One computer was bigger. Next. Blank. Okay, go Ken. What's the answer?
1.
1 what?
1 a smaller bedroom.
Okay. Then the computer was bigger than a small bedroom. Now, computers can do a lot more things and blank. Computer can do a lot more things and blank.
And internet.
And a lot more things, and there are some which you carry in a bag or pick it in one hand. You can find computers in school. What's the answer?
A little baby.
Okay, you can find computers in school. So blank, wait for your brother, sisters, mom, or dad to stop working, playing games, writing, and writing in a place. Okay, what do you think is the answer for number 5, Ken?
B.
It's letter? It
I.
is? Okay, mom and dad stop working, playing games, or writing to a friend in a blank place.
In a secret place.
Okay, so we have here. So you got your answers correctly. Very good. Okay. The answers for number 5 is, look at the answer. For number 5, the answer is another. Number 5, the answer is another. Okay. I will read the story again and we will know the correct answer. When we first had computer, they were very big and the only added numbers, one computer was bigger than a small bedroom. Now computers can do a lot more things and there are some which you can carry in a bag or pick up in one hand. You can find computer in school. Okay, you can find computer in school. Often you want to go in the computer in the evening in the internet shop because you want to study, you want to play. Okay, and you have to wait your brother, sister, mom, or dad to start working. Okay. Okay, you stop working now. Okay, that's what your mom told you. Okay, when you grow up, Ken, what do you want to be in the future? Ken?
A pilot.
A pilot? You want to be a pilot? Wow, that's great. You want to be a pilot. Okay, that's goodbye song. Okay, Ken. I will give you assignment. I will give you a homework later, okay? Okay, wait for Ken. I will give homework. Do you have wait? Okay, for a while, Ken. what happened?
The internet is over.
The internet is not, the Zoom, the YouTube, and the email is not working a while ago, Ken. Everything is shut down. I don't know why. Is it okay in Vietnam? Ken?
Yeah.
Okay, there is no problem in Vietnam. La, 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 la. Okay, so we have here reading and writing. Oh, it's done. Right, it's done. Are we done with those? Reading and writing, right? Why you too fast? So we still have 8 minutes. Wait for a while, Ken. Okay, it's here. Okay, so you will study this one. Okay, this one. So you will have to study this one. Okay. Oh, what is this? Wait for a while, Ken. Then I want to drink water first for a while. Okay, this one, Ken. Okay, so unit 37. Mr. Must changes his job. What's the job of Mr. Must? Mr. Must changes his job. Okay, eat a breakfast, have a shower. Okay, here. And what is? You will have to clean your teeth. That's Mr. Must's job. Here. Okay. To say the things you like doing, you will say, I like having a shower. I like eating breakfast. You will do like this. I like plus the verb plus the ing. I like having. This is have plus ing. That's having. This is the verb have. The verb is have, can. And ing, you will have to put ing to the verb. Okay. Next, look at example. Can you read the example, Can? Can you read the example, Can? I like.
I like eating breakfast. I want to go to school.
Oh, I want to. It's not here. I want to go to school. Oh, you're just doing something. You're just tricking me. Okay. To say things you have to do, you will say, I have to clean my bedroom. I have to clean my bathroom. I have to go to school every day. I have to drink a milk every day. So that is to say, okay, I love to eat Whopper. Okay, so like that, you will have to say, I have to plus the verb. Have to plus the verb clean. I have to clean my house. I have to do the homework. So you are still planning that you do this. I have to clean my house now. Can, I cannot go with you because I have to clean my house now. Teacher Myra, teacher Myra, teacher Anne, I cannot go with you this Friday because I have to do my homework. I have to study my lesson. Okay, so you are using have. You are using have to. Okay, you use the word, the expression, I have to clean my house. I have to do homework. So when you say the word I have to, it means that you have to do it. It's compulsory. It's very important. I have to clean my house. I have to do homework. That's only the basic can. That's have. This is actually the very easiest one. It's have. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand, Can? Very good. Okay, so these are your likes and these are your haves. I like this, but I don't have money. I have it already because I want to have money. Okay, so do you understand, Can?
Yeah.
Okay, so we so do you have question? Okay, so teacher Anne, okay. Okay, so teacher Anne will say, goodbye for Ken. Goodbye, Ken. See you. I will give you a assignment. Okay, let's check. I will check your assignment 36B. Okay, where is it? The assignment for 36B. Okay, you will answer in 36B. Kindly.
I don't want homework.
Okay, so you want homework? You like? You don't want. Okay, I don't want homework, teacher. Okay, so for now, teacher Anne will say goodbye. Ken.
Goodbye.
Okay. Okay, I will just give you homework. You don't like homework, Ken? Don't like homework? You don't like homework?
No, I like homework.
Oh, see, you like homework. Okay, I will. Oh, what happened to your face? What happened to your face? Okay, teacher Anne will give you homework for a while. Okay, if you like homework, teacher will give you homework. Okay, don't worry, I will give you a homework. Okay, so you will have to make a sentence. I will give you a homework. You will make a sentence using the word. Okay. Okay, I will give you the word and you will have to tell me later what's the correct word for that. Okay, so I will have to make sentence for you. At least 3 sentences. You understand, Ken? Okay. Okay, so I will make a homework for Ken now. To add some words. I will make Okay, I will give you short homework, Ken, about that one. Okay? So Ken, for now, teacher will just say goodbye. Okay? I will send homework now. Bye-bye, Ken.
Bye-bye, teacher.